Welcome to Tech Minds, where tech enthusiasts unite. At Tech Minds, we're on a mission to empower the next generation of tech leaders. Our community is more than just a space. It's an innovation hub, a collaborative haven, and a learning sanctuary. Join us on this exhilarating journey where skills flourish, connections thrive, and every tech dream finds a supportive home.
Being part of techminds has been a game changer. I've grown my skills, connected with industry experts, and found mentorship that guided my career path.
From webinars to workshops, from training sessions to career counseling, TechMinds offers a platform for growth and discovery where every member can unlock their full potential. At TechMinds, our vision goes beyond creating a community. We're building an ecosystem where innovation thrives, collaboration is second nature, and continuous learning is the heartbeat. We envision a space where tech enthusiasts from diverse backgrounds unite to cultivate their skills, connect with industry experts, and chart their unique paths in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Join us on this journey of limitless possibilities, where your aspirations meet guidance and your skills find the perfect stage to flourish. Connect with us to be part of something extraordinary. Together, let's redefine possibilities in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Join TechMinds today. Visit website URL and ignite your tech journey.